Hello, Namaste. Today, let us talk about something which is simpler than Reiki. Okay, I always advocate learning Reiki and doing self healing every single day because it is the simplest thing that can improve the quality of your life. I know more than a dozen healing modalities, and I know the easiest one is Reiki because you can do anytime. There is absolutely no prerequisite like you have to do it on empty stomach, you have to take bath, absolutely nothing. And it is easiest to practice. You have to just keep your palms on certain points corresponding to the chakras of the body. After Reiki 1, you don't even need to have the concentration. The moment you invoke Reiki and you keep your hands, the Reiki just starts to flow to bring about the healing and balancing of your chakras. So, we all need something to balance us and to ground us. So, I have found Reiki to be the simplest one because I learned Reiki when my life was the busiest, in my life, and I could find time and opportunity to do Reiki self healing every single day. But when I teach Reiki to people, even after seeing the tremendous improvement in life that Reiki brings about in their life, after some time, they seem to think doing Reiki is a chore. So many of them revert back to me, tell me something which is more simple than Reiki. Okay, so I didn't have an answer so far. But during one of the meditations, this suddenly struck me. Why you find doing Reiki difficult? Because there is something in your basic body mind structure. There is some vibration which is causing a hindrance to daily Reiki practice. And we know that once you do Reiki every single day, you can't even imagine how it shifts your life to a higher plane. Why I think Reiki is the best to start. I'm not saying that you should get stuck with Reiki. No. I'll tell you why. Out of all the healing modalities, how Reiki helps is it is threefold. It heals you, definitely. It heals and balances you every single day. It protects you because once you start doing Reiki, your spiritual aspect, your vibrational frequency is starting to increase. Okay, so suppose you are earning money just enough for your daily livelihood. You are not saving anything. So you are not scared of your money. You earn something, you spend it. You are earning much more than that. So you are starting to save money. When you start saving money, you have to be careful how you are keeping that saved money. You are bothered about it, isn't it? So same way, when you are on a spiritual path and your vibration frequency is increasing, when you are among people who have problems, imbalances in their body, mind and emotion, when you are near them, just like the water flows from a higher to lower level, your energy can start flowing towards them because they are in so much of need of this frequency. It just starts flowing from you to them sometimes. Okay, even though Reiki healing we give with an intention, sometimes it happens, many times it happens actually. So you are losing the energy which you have built up brick by brick, I will say, doing every day Reiki healing. So you need protection, and Reiki provides the protection. It brings you the means how to protect. So healing, protection, and finally growth. See, your life is never at a standstill. Either it goes back or it goes forward. Reiki makes sure you get the means to go forward in life. Whatever is needed for your growth, Reiki brings it into your life. It's a different thing that whether you pick it up and go forward. See that as human beings, we have the power of choice. You can just decide to ignore that and stay where you are, or you can pick that up. The Reiki brings things into your life. Pick it up and go ahead. So, healing, protection, and growth. Nothing else is all these three. So, now when you are thinking that even doing Reiki healing is too much, there is an easier one. Okay, get ready to hear that. It is stopping to have your dinner. So you have a breakfast, you have a lunch, then evening between 4 to 5 have your evening tea and have some small snack with that. And then brush your teeth. Your next meal is next day's breakfast. Okay, you may ask, how is it going to help me? Because the body is allowed to do things for its upkeep. Otherwise, you are putting dinner into the body, maybe 9, 10 o'clock or 8 o'clock. So it is busy with digestion. So when the body gets time to do other things, repair, rejuvenation and other things, killing the unwanted cells, all those things, body is getting time. And this also increases the vibrational frequency of your body and to a certain extent your mind. So when you start doing this, slowly the vibration frequency increases and you will reach a stage where you think doing Reiki self-healing daily is not a chore at all. You start looking forward to do that Reiki healing, self-healing every single day. So if you think doing self-healing is too much for you to do, start right from today. Stop having your dinner. As simple as that. Okay? Give a serious thought to this. And bye for now. Namaste. Bye.